Hello! Welcome to German Dental Center.
I love this clinic. It's much better than sleeping in here. Guys, I want to have a Hollywood smile. Okay, Wingardium Leviosa! Are you good? I wish to have a smile like Wonder Woman. Okay, wish granted. Look at your teeth! Oh my god, what a mess! Let's ask Dr. Hamdy for help.
A beautiful smile is one of the most important things that you should look after. When we meet someone, we are mostly attracted by his smile. It shows positive energy and gives self-esteem. Hollywood smile is an option. Me, Dr. Hamdy Al Banna, promise to give you the best smile that you deserve. Keep coming to our clinic because in German Dental Center,
Who said you can't enjoy it? Wait for me to go to the other side. Wish I could have a smile like...
Again, don't smile.
Do? Ay, I want to go. How are you?